You know what, just to make sure that the engine doesn't fall out from underneath the car after installing this oil catch can, let's start the car up, let's take it for a drive, bring it back, and make sure that the oil catch can is still in its place. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this oil catch can added like 50 horsepower to the car, so we have to make sure that those 50 horses are felt. And I'm telling you, I'll find every excuse to drive this car. Every excuse I can come up with, I will take the car out. And of course, we're driving in the only track mode that matters. Exactly, right? We are driving in the only SRT drive mode that matters, track. Some people say that the bumpiness bothers them, the throttle response is so sensitive. I think it makes it all just so fun, so interactive. The steering feel is great. We'll just take it down the way here. Hopefully you guys can hear that over the wind noise. I decided to drive with the windows down. Because with the way I drive, this JLT catch can, it needs to stay in place. So we're just gonna go around the block real fast. Hopefully if I run into anybody that wants to get some of this Scat pack, I'm telling you, it's fun. It's fun to just like drive, and you'll see cars here and there that are like maybe they're into driving fast, so then you challenge them a little bit. I challenge them in my Challenger, no pun intended. But I'm telling you, it's just fun, man. Never have I driven a car that just, I feel incredibly enthusiastic about driving. I get so excited, I get giddy. Like literally every single day driving this car is like Christmas. Easily. And as you get old, well, I'm not old, but as you get older, Christmas, honestly for me, it kind of meant less and less. So to say that every day feels like Christmas again, driving this car, it really says something. I hope I got a decent angle on the GoPro. I really want you guys to experience this car through my perspective. And I also really hope this JLT oil catch can is staying put. I've heard certain things like don't tighten it too hard, because as it gets hot, the metal will expand and it then becomes like a permanent fixture. Like you can't even take the oil catch can off to download that excess oil. Oh my goodness, guys. Wind noise right now. Track mode steering keeps me in line. All right, let's calm down a little bit here. enough to test whether or not this JLT catch can stay put. Telling you guys need a car like this. You need a car that's just gonna put a smile on your face. You're having a bad day, jump in your favorite car and take it out. I'm smiling right now. I need to do a perspective where you can see my face, because like I'm grinning from ear to ear. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. I got a good angle with the GoPro, because this is so much fun. I have to say, just enjoy it responsibly, just like anything. Enjoy it responsibly. Sometimes they got the cops out here staking the place out for guys like me. Take pride in the vehicle that you're happy with, and you want to do things to it that make you even more proud to own it. Mid-muffler, delete. H-pipe, this car sounds like a beast now. Adding the JLT catch can, getting all that extra gunk out of the engine bay, out of the cylinder heads, increases the longevity, increases the amount of time you can enjoy this vehicle, okay? Find yourself a car. It doesn't even have to be this Scat Pack, right? It doesn't have to be this 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack wide body. It can be whatever it is that gives you the same effect. I don't care if it's a freaking Honda Accord. I don't care if it's a minivan. Whatever it is that you love, whatever it is that gives you this sense of euphoria, this sense of, you know, unparalleled joy and excitement. I don't care if it's a freaking scooter, you know? Just make sure you're experiencing that. Life is too short to not be happy, to not be satisfied, to not have what you want. I'm not saying go out there and make a stupid decision and do something so spontaneous that you can't recover from it. But if you got that itch, you got that thought in the back of your head, and it's been lingering with you for a long time, then maybe it is a decision that you might want to make. Don't go out here and do anything illegal, okay? I'm talking about a well-calculated, thought-out plan that you've just been wanting to act on, but you keep making excuses for. This is the best decision I could have made in a long time, and I'm so happy with it. And I just want you guys to enjoy it with me. Experience this car vicariously through me, and then go out there and get you a vehicle that gives you the same feeling that it gives me. I'm telling you. So that's it, guys. I'm headed back home. We're gonna take a look at this oil catch can real fast and make sure that it's still there after this fun drive. Alright, so after the drive, as you guys can see, the oil catch can's still there. Engine's clicking because just finished driving it pretty fast. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.